Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make a yogurt and mint raita. Before I start, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. To make my yogurt and mint raita, you will need 1 small minced clove of garlic, 1 small handful of coriander finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of mint sauce, 2 tablespoons of lump-free mango chutney, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 pinch of salt to taste, 75 milliliters of milk, 250 milliliters of full-fat yogurt, and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Add the yogurt to a bowl and carefully mix in all the remaining ingredients. The turmeric will turn the dip slightly orange. Simply leave it out for a white dip, or add food colouring if you want it green. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 days or freeze in portions for use later. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.